Hey guys, we are in Seychelles. Guess what? Finally in the beach. Source de Hajao, how they pronounce it, but it's a French pronunciation. It's a clear, crystal clear water. It's very shallow, so we can really go inside. Right now I am in my accommodation in Digue in Seychelles. The name of the accommodation is Chez Marston. It's like hut-like structure. I'm standing in front of my door, and just in front of me I can see lots of green trees, beautiful hibiscus flowers and some other cactus, beautiful fruits, and you can ask in the reception for the bicycles. We got ours. There it is. The special thing is that it's only 2 minutes walking distance from the jetty, so that you know, if you do not have any pickup from the hotel, you can just walk by carrying the luggages. So we are right now buying the ticket. We are going to the beach, as they pronounce it, Source de Hajao. Is it the correct pronunciation? Yeah, see?
You turned toward me and looked so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
Savvy, you have to check this out. Just come and see. This big guy.
Hey buddy. Hello. Hi. Wow. So these are the giant tortoise. Are the giants? They are definitely way more bigger than what we see in India. I don't know what is the biggest size over here, but we really adore them. They are so, oh my god, they are so friendly. They are not scared of you, and they are letting me come really close. I'll just see if I touch them, what they do.
I think they bite.
No, they won't.
Okay.
Hey buddy.
That guy is farting. You just farted.
It's the motherfucking Digue double G. Snoop Dogg. You know I'm mobbing with the D. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
They make some cute noise. I don't know what it is. They make it from the mouth or somewhere else.
It's fart.
Okay, you want more? You want more? Okay. They actually respond to you. It's a little slow, but you can just call them, say hello, hi. These giant tortoises are between 30 to 100 years old, and they really need good diet. That means fresh green leaves or fruits or whatever they give them. So that is very important for their digestion, and it is not recommended that you scratch in their shell, because it might be painful to them. And when you are feeding them, make sure that you have some distance from their mouth. I don't know, I mean, they bite or not, but yes, it is important. So at a point where you need to keep the bicycle and you have to walk to the beach. It's really early in the morning, so the shops are not yet open. We really wanted to come early in the morning so that we can have the beach or the tortoise area all for our own, as we love it. This typical big rocks or boulders of Source de Hajo beach, that's what we are crossing. So you can just go at any of these locations to have those best photographs that you see for Seychelles. You know something, I'm a geologist by background, and these big rocks all around with this exotic beach, it's making a paradise for me. This beach is a paradise for me. Oh no!
Down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Silent bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Silent bold, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. I can't believe the night lay waste to all we'd given. But honestly, you've gotta know that this ain't living. But we could run from and let it burn, let it burn. You've gotta know that nothing lasts forever.
We are going to Grand Anse and Anse Coco, but it's very hot here, little bit uphill on the way, so it's a little bit difficult in this hot sunny day.
Good, we are burning some calories.
So we will see you there. Come with us. Savvy, you're not going to beach?
Hey, it's very hot right now. It's around 12:30 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon. It's not the appropriate time, might be, for the Indians to go to the beach. But definitely we are going to come back in the evening or in the morning, early morning. That's what we do usually, to jump into the beach. But it's crystal clear water, the green and blue water, and fine sand and the characteristic rocks. From here you can trek towards the Anse Coco beach also, but I'm not sure whether we'll be going there. but look around. It's so beautiful. So we are tired, tanned, bicycling around the island all for 2 days. So we have just 1 hour to reach the ferry, which is around 4 kilometers from here. So
And we have to go there by riding a bicycle.
till now the best place for me in the world was Santorini till I came to Digue, Seychelles. So right now, yeah, this is the place. If you have to bring me someday for anniversary or for birthday celebration, so bring me to Seychelles for sure.
Okay.
Noted?
Yeah, sure.
Did you like watching the video? How did you like the place? If you liked it, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and write in your comments your feedback, or if you have to suggest us anything, please do write to us. We would love to hear from you. Thank you.